let's go ahead and take a moment of silence because what is going on is I am trying to sit here and recollect what the fuck I just witnessed. I'm definitely trying to do that. So, with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get right into this video. I'm going to let you guys know right now, this is not going to be a typical one of my videos. I probably am getting ready to be all over the place because the two people that I am actually making the video on were all over each other. There were times that, I wanted to know, was I in a porn site? There were times when I wanted to know if I was looking or getting ready to look at a snuff video. There were times when I just didn't know what in the world I was looking at as well as comprehending. I've got to say, these two were literally molesting each other right in the living room. You get what I'm saying? Not even knowing what kids are doing or coming out. I've got to say, this shit right here was entertaining. But what I can say is that Jasmine. Bitch, what the hell is wrong with you? Like, what were you thinking? Are you thinking? Funny boy. Woo! All right, so let me get back to it, y'all, because I am in fucking tears over here. It is not even funny. You get what I'm saying? But this right here, like I say, y'all repeat after me. Jasmine was on what? Jasmine was on baby. Baby. Her best bullshit. All right. She did not even wait till, you know what I mean, tomorrow night. She just went in for the kill and was like, you know what? It's Friday and I'm going to let it all hang out. And Chris, he was saying the same thing. He was like, it's Friday and I am going to go ahead and let my balls hang. And let me tell you guys, that is exactly what these two did. When I tell you, when I tell you that this right here was over the top, needed to be shut down immediately, and no one was going to do it, this was super entertaining. I've got to say, this has been the best video that you have done, Jazzy. The best. All right. It's like I say, it's not too much that I could say, but what I can say is that this right here is getting ready to go down in YouTube history. Like y'all like when I say, okay? Yeah, okay? Yeah, this right here is going down. All right. Now, I don't know if you know Jasmine, but your little boyfriend, your boo, your bae, whatever you want to call him that makes you happy and you happy, whatever you want to call him that makes you happy and clearly makes his, body feel like real furry inside, because I am going to be honest and you already know, he is a perfect clown. He is what I call a corn ball. He is what I call a twerper. Yeah. He is what I call a yeah. All right. Y'all already know where I'm going. I mean, let me tell you, Papa Chris, all right, Mr. Chicklet Teeth. Yeah, Mr. Chicklets. That's what we're going to call him here on out, everybody. Mr. Chicklet Teeth. All right. You could break it down, or you want to be like me and you want to be fly, call him Chicklets. All right. But let me tell you about Chicklets. He was in the camera all the time. Now, I can tell how this is going to go down because he has already taken over. He has already taken over Jasmine's entire channel. Now, I don't know, you know what I mean, if he has taken the class on how to become a YouTuber from Chrissy. You get what I'm saying? Because her and Jasmine are such great friends. And when she goes out, guess what? We never, ever see Jasmine with Chrissy. Yeah. Now, let me tell you. So, Jasmine, I see that you were looking like a ray of sunshine. Yes, you were. I know that you already felt as though you were wearing that backless romper. All right. But, the romper was okay. But I gotta say, y'all mommy Anna friend Liv has made me like no type of rompers. I hate them. When I go into the store and I see one, sometimes it makes me actually want to go ahead and get right back into my car. Now, when I tell you guys that this particular video was all over the place, it was even explicit. This was what I would call a R-rated video. This is what I was super confused about. All of the kissing, all of the smacking, all of the licking of faces. It was disgusting. I have a dog, y'all already know that, and he doesn't even lick like that. I was basically sick on my stomach at one point. Okay. Not only that, but did y'all notice how Jasmine was kind of like staring in space? I don't know what she was staring at. It could have been a fly on a wall. It may have even been a roach. No shade, Jazz. Sorry. I probably shouldn't have said that. I take that back, Jazz. Okay. Yeah. So, I didn't know what you were staring at. All right. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I seen in the comments, they were going wild. You get what I'm saying? You had a lot of people in that live just was acting like complete jokes. Let me tell you, they were having a damn field day with every single thing that you and that young man called Chris, that on the inside they have told him that he looks like 50 cents, so therefore he is sticking with it. Yes, he is, baby. At one point, you guys thought that, you know what I'm saying, y'all was the Lakers. Y'all was playing basketball in the house with a toddler basketball hoop. I said, you know what? They are definitely on something, and the rest of this live is going to be a complete shit show. And baby, I was so right. I am so glad that I was able to get up and she still had this live up, because I'm thinking that she's probably going to erase it. And the thing is Jasmine, if I were you and you know that CPS is on your ass, why would you bring yourself on here? That's what I mean. You are stupid. All right. Like I said, the people in the comments was going crazy. Yes, they were. It went on from, Chris, do you like back knee? And what the person basically was saying was acne on the back, but he didn't get it. You know what I mean? That's the type of shit that these people in the chat was doing. All right. I was so confused when they started to play basketball in the house. I'm like, you already know that your neighbors do not like you. So why are you over there being noisy as hell? You get what I'm saying? Then on top of that, because of the way that they act around each other, her and Chris, you could already tell that they be banging on that floor. You get what I'm saying? Headboard and everything. I already know. I bet you she is locking all the kids into their room. Because like I said, this right here was a shit show. And also, let me add, Chris was taking over the entire live. All right. I can also add that I'm not too worried about Jasmine making the noise when they are having intercourse. It strikes me that Chris would be one of those type of people. I don't think Jasmine would make any noise. I think that he would make noise. I mean, like I said, y'all, he is a straight. Look at me clearly. I'm going to come closer. He is a straight cornball, a straight clown, a straight idiot. That's exactly what I get from this. I feel that Chris has never had too much attention. So right now, since Jazz has this live, this is the most attention I'm thinking that Chris has ever had. Yeah, that's what I feel. I mean, we got Chris on here with a bottle of water, pouring Jasmine some water because she keeps asking for it into a smoothie cup. All right. And I am looking at the screen like, are you kidding me? I mean, they were all over each other, but Jasmine, she was the worst. I gotta say, she was like trying to twerk on him. She was tongue kissing. They were rubbing on each other. They were licking each other. I've never seen that many licks, and I actually have a dog. And you know how like when your dog goes and sits down in a corner and he'll go lick himself, his feet and all of that. That is what that reminded me of. But like I said, he does not even do damn near the licks that Jasmine do. One thing I will say about Chris is it seems like he has a good personality. It seems like, you know, he just has a good personality. So like I said, him and Jasmine, the good old ray of sunshine with that yellow on, they were completely crazy. At one point, Jasmine kept saying, I don't even know what she actually kept saying, but he told her to go ahead and to chill. Not only that, but Jasmine, let me tell you guys, Jasmine is not stupid. So I don't know, Chris, if you really know this. Well, you know what? I'm sorry, y'all. I lied. I take that back. Jasmine is stupid. I forgot all about the stupid shit that she does. But Jasmine is baiting you, Chris, because I can tell you now, she's not taking any birth control pills or anything of that nature. I don't think that you are using condoms. So what she did was she kept saying to you that she was pregnant. And I'm going to tell you some good shit, Chris. Looking at a person, think that they, you know what I mean, real slick. She was trying to see if she was pregnant, and she was trying to see what. Come on closer, Chris. She was trying to see what you would say. She's putting all the balls in court. All right. And then in a few, she's going to shoot them all. So what I will say to you, Chris, is yeah, that was a pregnancy. FYI. It is what it is. So yeah, y'all. This was a real fuck show. Like I said before, this is clearly going to go down in YouTube history. This is clearly going to go down everywhere. You get what I'm saying? I mean, y'all, it was a complete shit show. And no, your girl was not there for it. No. But she went and watched it. And you know, I knew you guys would be waiting on my reaction. So here's my reaction. And you can take it whichever way that you feel. All right, guys. So we are going to go ahead. And you know what? We are going to end this video. So until the next video, guys, see you later. Mwah.